Ever feel like something's missing? Many in Essex do. And many are curious right now about the Christian faith and the difference it can make to their life. If you've been exploring faith at home and you're interested in coming to church but just not sure where to start, come and join us for our open house Sundays in March at Danbury Mission. Sunday the 8th, Sunday the 15th and Sunday the 22nd. We're going to be looking at 3 famous accounts in the life of Jesus where he talks about what's missing. We know visiting a new church can be daunting, especially if you've never been before, and so we've answered some common questions on our website to give you a bit of a flavour. But here's what to expect. We run the same service at 9 a.m. for the early birds and 11 a.m. for the less early birds. The service is just over an hour. We start and end with some singing. Someone will pray and read from the Bible at the front, followed by a talk. You're not going to be asked to pray out loud or anything. You can just come and listen. And we have interactive groups for children aged 0 to 14 and refreshments right after if you want to stick around. All our services are casual dress, so wear what you usually wear. There's a car park right outside, and you can find out more on our website. Why not give church a try this March? You might just find what's been missing.